Hello my technical friends, we are in Linux Pro 0.1.3 and we are going to manage Linux file. So in this lab you will use several commands from the terminal to manage files. You are currently in Wadam's home directly, and in this lab your task is to use the rm command to delete the old _myfile.txt file found in your home directory and use the touch command to create the new myfile.txt file in your home directory. Use nano corvi to add some text of your choosing to the new _myfile.txt file you just created. Use the cat command to view the changes made to this file. Use the cp command to copy the new _myfile.txt file to the home directory, and use the my command to rename home new myfile.txt to final myfile.txt. Alright, so we'll also remember to be sure to use the correct spelling, capitalization, spacing when using a command line interface. Alright, so that is it folks. We'll just go ahead and start lab. So in case you find this video to be helpful and you want further clarifications on order of the video, you might want to consider joining my professional membership so that you get access to other detailed video on how to pass other tests at lab. So let's start up right away. So the lab has loaded and we'll just start up right away. So we'll go to the terminal, and in the terminal let's bring this to the middle so that you see what I'm doing clearly. All right, in the terminal we are going to type in ls, enter, rn old _ myfile.txt. Press enter. Type ls and press enter again. Touch space. Don't forget the space, they are very important. Ensure you include the space when necessary. So touch space new _ myfiles.txt. And type in enter, press enter, and type ls. going to be nano new underscore my file.txt. Alright. So it's going to be some text of your choosing. So just include any text if you're choosing here. So nothing specific. Okay, so it's going to be CAT space new underscore my file.txt. I press enter. CP space new underscore my file.txt space /home /dams /practice. CD practice enter. Type in ls, press enter. My space new underscore my files .txt. Space final underscore my file.txt. ls enter. Alright, so go ahead and submit score. And if you find this video to be helpful, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Share so that others can benefit. Also remember to join my professional membership so that you get access, exclusive perks, and detailed video explanation. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next video.